Hello, bud. This is Greg. Thanks for helping us out with this again. Now, normally we'd have one of our staff be the night watchman, but we're still stuck in Alabama and getting our equipment together to ship back, so I'm guessing an intern is going to have to do. Now, don't worry. I know you're going to be fine. That last intern was just... well... Anyway, we've already set up cameras for you to keep an eye on the place. Now, more importantly, we need you to keep an eye on... well, we thought they were shoots, but it's not important. I can neither confirm nor deny any suspicious activity due to it being a supernatural being. But let's just say that, hypothetically speaking, if something were to get into your office, it'd be very important that you make noise somewhere else in the building. Because we found that shutting off one of the cameras seems to work. It doesn't seem like these things can see, but it has pretty good hearing, so you're going to have to react quickly. Anyway, I better get back to packing up the gear so we can help back. So, until then, check those cams, and we'll be... oh, one more thing, bud. You better not break my equipment or else. See you later.
Where's my home?